For today's video, let's visit the beautiful enchanted river ng Surigao. So in order to arrive to our destination, kailangan muna nating sumakay ng shuttle ride, and this is free of charge. I believe it is part of the entrance fee na ang ride na ito. Are you excited? Are you gonna swim sa river? So after like 5 minutes, we have finally arrived sa river, and it's 3 p.m. and it's scheduled nila for fish feeding. So we spent some time muna watching the personnel feed the fishes. And finally, ito yung swimming area ng river, and this is the place na pwedeng languyan ng mga tourists. So, syempre, kami ay nag-swimming din sa river na ito. So, this area naman is the main lagoon ng river. So, ito yung pinaka-blue na part and pinaka-deep. So, this is off limits to swimmers. But picture taking is really excellent in this area. Ayan, final poses muna before we say goodbye to the enchanted river ng Surigao.